How do I get organised? Now is a perfect time of year to be asking yourself that question and getting yourself really organised in 2024. Maybe it's time for you to turn over a new leaf, get rid of all those post-it notes around your desk, get rid of all those to-do lists that you keep making but never getting to the bottom of. I've just spoken with another lovely business owner today about getting more organised, winning back more time, feeling more efficient, and giving yourself more headspace and taking away those late night in bed worries of all the things that you've got to do. Check out a task management tool. There are lots. I love Asana. There is also Trello, ClickUp. Trello, Monday.com is a great one. They work wonders for you, helping you to put things into projects. If you run a workshop every year, or you always do the same things with clients when you onboard them, it's a great place to put all the activities, all the tasks that you do with deadlines, with owners, if it's not just you in the business. And each time you get a new client or you have a new workshop, you can duplicate those templates. It will get rid of all that worry and release loads of headspace for you. So want to get more time back and get more organised? Check out a task management tool.